Hello class and welcome to week 1 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you'll be working out of the Orientation Learning Module and also the Tech Learning Module. So welcome to English 101. My advice is to look at the Calendar tab. The Calendar tab is on the left on the navigation bar. Once you open it, you will see a calendar for the month that you'll be working out of. If you click on the individual colored tabs, you will see the due dates for assignments that are due on the day on the calendar. My suggestion is to look at the calendar tab each day to see what is coming up due, to get an overview of what's coming up due for the week, or to see what's due for the day. Once you have looked at the calendar, it's a good idea to go to for this week, the Getting Started tab. The Getting Started tab is also on the navigation bar, and it's right here under Announcements. In the Getting Started tab, you'll be learning a little bit about how to orient yourself with the course. There's a welcome from me, there's a course overview video, there are course documents in a folder, and listed would be the syllabus, which you're welcome to open up and view and read through. The syllabus will also contain the weekly schedule of assignments near the bottom, but the daily schedule is also where you'll find the assignments that are coming up for each day in English 101. And you may just have to scroll down a little bit, and there you have it. It really goes into the week and what assignments are due, the readings, and so forth. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and print that information out. Another thing that's contained in the Getting Started would be information about netiquette, student conduct, and then there is an orientation module. There's a folder about what I'd like you to do this week. For today and tomorrow, I'd like you to introduce yourselves to each other on the discussion board using this tab, or you may go directly to the discussion board to work on it. Also, I'd like you to work on another little orientation quiz, and it's listed in this folder. It's an orientation scavenger hunt, where once you look through the information for the course, you can take a little short 5 or 6 question quiz, and it'll come right to me. Again, that is found on the Orientation Learning module. Next, I'd like you to go to the Learning module. So the Orientation module is above the Learning module. It's in the Learning modules, but the actual assignments you'll be working on are in the other learning modules. We'll be working on the Tech Learning module. That'll be the first one that we will work on. That's where you'll be doing some readings, we'll do some discussion board postings, and it'll end, I believe, next week or the week after with an essay. You'll be learning about how technology can affect people negatively, particularly women, when we deal with harassment, cyber harassment, and other issues related to cybersecurity and women. So there is a tech module overview, and there's information for what you will be learning for each week. For this week, you'll be learning about readings having to do with the Tech Learning module. So why women aren't welcome on the internet, the On Safety Net, how to rid Twitter of misogyny, the cult of openness enables misogyny. So these kinds of readings, and there are activities that go along with them as well. You'll be posting on the discussion board, and I should go to the discussion board just to show you a little bit of what you'll be expected to do. So again, on the discussion board, many of you have already introduced yourselves to the class. There's a class cafe if you would like to ask each other questions that you think you can get help from with each classmate. The rule is 3 before me, find out from 3 different classmates an answer to a question. And if you cannot get that answer, then you're welcome to email or call me. So on the discussion board, you'll be starting this week with doing the Lumen annotation practice. That is practice related to writing. So after watching some videos and reading, you will be annotating one of the lessons or one of the videos, and you'll be posting your chart, which is here. You'll be posting it on the discussion board once you complete this chart. And at the end of your completion, yeah, just fill it out for me and then post it. I'm going to show you a little bit about Lumen. Lumen is where you'll be learning a little bit about essay organization and grammar, and it is that link that's right here. It's called a Lumen resource. So this week, the main assignments will be found in the on the discussion board after you've gone to the learning modules to do the readings and to find the links to the readings. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.